Hello and welcome to my final submission video. As you can see here that I have replaced the welcome cookie with a welcome HTML that is added when you log in. It has a link to the admin page. It also disappears when you click log out. Let me log back in so I can show you some functionality. So this, and it stays wherever you go. You can see that this week we added the customer reviews section, where you can see it adds the reviews at the bottom here, and it gives you my A username as the name of the review, or of the reviewer, and I can say and add the review. You can see it adds it at the bottom. If I go back, you can see that it is adding it to the page here where I can edit. Or delete the review. See that I have created this reviews table with the proper columns, and that there is data in that table. I will also validate the HTML of these review and delete the review pages. You can see that they are valid. And we will also validate the CSS of the page, and it is all valid.